Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WebRTC for real-time video and React Native, full guide step-by-step clearly. Start by creating a new React Native project using the command line. Use the command npx React Native init my WebRTC app to set up your project. Once the project is created, navigate into the project directory with cd my WebRTC app. Next, install the necessary dependencies for WebRTC. Run npm install React Native WebRT to add the WebRTC library to your project. After the installation is complete, link the library to your project. For iOS, run cd iOS and in-pod install to install the required CocoaPods. Open the Xcode project by navigating to the iOS folder and double-clicking on My WebRTC app.workspace. Ensure the deployment target is set to 11.0 or higher in your Xcode settings. Now, return to your React Native project folder. Create a new file called WebRTC-component.js. In this file, import the necessary modules from React and React Native. Import components from React Native WebRTC. Define your WebRTC component. Add the necessary state variables for managing local and remote streams. Use MediaStream to create a local video stream. Implement the functionality to start the local video feed. Make sure to handle permissions for camera and microphone access. Add a button to start streaming. Create a function to handle incoming WebRTC connections. Use the signaling server to establish peer connections. Listen for ICE candidates to create a stable connection. Implement functions to handle remote video streams. Use the RTC View component to display the local and remote video streams. Style your component according to your design preferences. Now, import this component into your main app.js file. Render your WebRTC component within the main application component. Test your app by running the command npx React Native run Android or npx React Native run iOS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.